Hello friends, I welcome you all in this new video. Today I am going to explain, is Motor Arena legit or a scam? Friends, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, then this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then please watch this video till the end, as I will share a way to get your money back. So friends, without any delays, let's get started. Motor Arena is a website for cars where you can sell cars, rent cars. As you can see on the home page that they have all the options of companies for cars like Audi, BMW, Fiat, Honda, etc. They also sell the stocks of the cars. Here you can see that you can buy stocks of car for around 6,450 euros. This website is all about cars. Guys, now let us look at the payment methods available on this website. As you can see that they have not mentioned any type of payment method on this website. But in the finance section on this website, they have mentioned that you can fill a form in order to apply for finance on this website. Now let us look at the shipping services available on this website. Here on this website they have mentioned that they will deliver the car to your doorstep, but they have not mentioned any days or the time it will take for the delivery. Now friends, before moving on, I would request you all to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. This will boost our spirit to make more such informative videos. Now let us talk about those important points on which we can judge if this website is a legit or a scam website. So the first point we see is that this website is HTTPS protocol and SLS integration. That is really nice, and it will protect your credit cards and your passwords. Friends, when we saw the domain name of this website, we found that the website was registered on 20th April 2016, which is a good sign since this website is around 4 years old. Friends, let us now look at the address or the contact details which are present on this website. Here they have ordered an address on this website as well as the contact details and email IDs. You can also see that they have given the location of the map where you can locate the store, as this website also has a store. But friends, there is no about us section which is present on this website. They have just mentioned few lines about themselves, but there is no detailed about us section present on this website. Let us now look at the social media presence which is available on this website. Friends, as you can see that there is no social media presence on this website. They have not mentioned any kind of social media accounts on their website. This is a bad sign. Let us look at the refund policy which is available on this website. Once again friends, you can see that they have not mentioned any kind of refund and return policy which is there on this website. If we move on to the reviews provided, yes, they have provided customer reviews which are fairly good, but these can be bought reviews, as all the reviews are of positive. There is no negative review which is present on this website. This is again a suspicious sign that this website is a suspicious website or could be a scam website. If we look at the details which are present on the website, it seems that they are fairly okay, but there are some parts which are very suspicious on this website. So friends, after the entire review and after going through everything, I would like to tell you that Motor Arena is a suspicious or a scam website. When we also looked at other social media accounts to find whether this website is right or not, we found that there are a lot of people saying that Motor Arena is a scam and that they have lost a lot of money. So friends, if now in these conditions if you don't have money, then I would suggest you to stay away from such scam or suspicious websites. We also ask our viewers to post comment about any experience in return or fraud which they have experienced on this website. And friends, I would also like to ask you to comment about your experiences on this website. You also know that you can get your money back by checking our links in the description. So do comment your thought about this video so that you get your money back. Friends, we read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to our channel today. Be informed and be safe.